everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is the Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendars. So today is day 5. Wow, it's going really fast. So yeah, I brought both of them, the glitter one and the new sort of mixed one. So yeah, we will just get started. So this is what the first one is. So this is the sort of like mixed calendar. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. So let's have a look and see what it is. Oh, look at that. So this is a dot mix. But look at that. How pretty is that? Oh, and it's such a lovely name as well. Oh, I will do a quick swatch of this. That's really, really pretty. So that's that one there. And let's do the glitter. So we're both going to see it together. Ready? Woof. I ain't got no gingerbread men. Well, I have now. Oh my god. How cute are they? And they've even like got like what do you call it? Like a texture to them, looks like. They're so cute. I can't get out of them. Oh, I can't get out how cute they are. Oh no, they are cute. I've got to get them out. Let me get one out. I've got to. That. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh, they're quite thick. Oh. Can you do the texture? Oh my god. Oh, I dropped him. Oh no. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know why I'm so amused. Oh, I don't know. Oh, let me see if I can bend him slightly. Let's try. Let's get a brush. I think I've gone mad. Anyway, that's what the gingerbread man looks like. I don't know why I'm laughing so much, but right, I'm just gonna swatch this. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm finding it so funny. I've no idea. And no, I haven't been drinking. It's too early to have a drink. But I don't know. I think it's because I haven't got any and they're just so cute. So I'll do a quick swatch of this and I'll be right back. See you in a second. Okay, so let's apply the top coat. So, wow. That is so pretty. Wow. That is so sparkly. Wow. Over it. Wow, look at that. Wow. Right, I'm going to put that in the lamp. And this is what it looks like in the tray. So it's tiny little squares and slightly larger rectangles, and it's white, green and red, and it looks like, yeah, there's little hexagons in there as well. So there's teeny tiny hexagons and larger hexagons in the matte white, and that's the name of it there. And then we have the gingerbread men. I'm so sorry for my laughing fit. I don't know what came over me. I really don't know. I don't know what came over me, but yeah, I honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, anyway, so this is yeah, I'm just waiting for the lamp to finish curing the top coat. So let me know your thoughts down below on these two. Do you like the glitter mix? Do you like the gingerbread men? Let me know your thoughts. I think this is really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. And that's the swatch there. Really, 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 really pretty. just look at it twinkling. Wow, when that catches the light, wow. So yeah, anyway, let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, if you make an order from Charlie's, don't forget my discount code. It's always on the screen, always in the description box. And yep, just let me know your thoughts down below. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today, and hopefully you'll join me tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. I'll post some pictures at the end.